Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show how to buy municipal bond new issues on Fidelity to earn tax-free income without paying purchase fees. Municipal bonds can offer strong tax-free yields. For example, a recent New York Muni offered a 3.95% tax-free yield, equal to a 6.27% tax equivalent yield for at least 10 years if not called early. Fidelity charges no commission for these purchases. On Fidelity, log in, go to News and Research, then Fixed Income, Bonds and CDs. Click New Issues, then Municipal New Issues to see offerings by state. Buying in-state can allow interest to be exempt from federal and state taxes. Sign up for fixed income alerts to catch new offerings. Each Muni listing shows maturity dates, ratings, prices, yields, and attributes like N for negotiated, R for revenue bond, and TE for tax-exempt. Check if the bond is call protected and review the first call date. Click the preliminary official statement for details. Then, under View Offerings, check prices, yields, and order deadlines. Use the 10-year Treasury yield as a reference when comparing. To place an order, click Participate, Review Details, enter the purchase amount, typically $5,000 minimum, and Preview Order. Enroll in New Issue Alerts if prompted, confirm, and place the order. This expresses interest and will go through the allocation process, which may fill fully, partially, or not at all. After purchase, monitor Fidelity emails for any repricing updates before final allocation, with the option to cancel or edit within the time window provided. To adjust or cancel, navigate to the dashboard, select Activity and Orders, then View Orders for new issue bonds. New issue Muni purchases require patience, as allocation can take a day or more, and the final yield may adjust slightly before confirmation. Checking emails and Fidelity alerts ensures nothing is missed during this period, allowing changes if needed before final settlement. It helps to keep a watch list of target states and maturities for upcoming Muni offerings, especially for those seeking to ladder maturities over time for steady tax-free income. Comparing different credit ratings and call structures also supports better decision-making aligned with personal risk tolerance. Municipal bonds are more complex than treasuries, so taking time to understand terms such as call provisions, extraordinary redemption, and blue sky limitations will help avoid surprises later. Reading official statements and reviewing the issuer's financial strength are important steps before locking in a purchase. Buying Muni new issues on Fidelity is a straightforward, fee-free way to add tax-efficient income to a portfolio, often outperforming treasuries on a tax-equivalent basis for those in higher tax brackets. This process helps super savers keep more of their income while building a reliable, tax-advantaged cash flow stream for the long term. And that's it. Thank you for watching.